Hello and welcome back to Tonleigh Bridge, the Piss of Doom. Okay, it's Saturday and I've got a visitor today and we're going to do some work on the layout and a running session. So we'll show you the running session and the work that we're doing on the video, on the layout. Bollocks! Hello and welcome back to Tonleigh Bridge and the Piss of Doom. And it's Saturday morning. I've got a visitor today. And we've been doing some work on the layout as well as a really good running session. So let me show you Ian. He's here today. Ian of Tidworth fame. Morning. On the RM web. Smile.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm not good at smiling.
No. And we're going to show you what we've been doing on the layout, or what Ian's been doing on the layout. But we'll have a running session first and we'll show you the rest in a moment. Right, let's get on with some running and then we'll have a bit of work on the layout. Okay, so as I said at the start of the video, Ian's down to do some work on the back of the platform. He's just done the footbridge for me. I'll show you this in place once we've finished doing a bit of painting. So that's the footbridge going across, and the other part of the footbridge is there. So it's now a far better colour than the cream plastic of Ratio. So let's see what else we're doing. Right, and so Ian's here and he's actually, smile, you're on candid camera. Yeah. He's actually...
slave labour.
Yeah, slave labour, that's it, yeah. He's actually changing the colour from the cream plastic that Ratio supply. And this will end up more or less the same colour as he's done the footbridge there. So we'll have a look at that once it's done in a moment. We've got quite a bit to do here, so we could be a while. I made him a bed up in the spare room, so he's okay. We're going to have some more running in a minute as well. Whilst Ian's doing the fencing at the back, I'm just going to change the colour of the field at the back here. It was that dark green as you see there, and I'm bringing it a bit lighter so that it stands out a little bit more and blends in more with the rest of the greens. So hopefully that will work. So yeah, bit of a palette of mixed green, an old brush, and we'll be there in a minute. He did provide 2 packs of Belgian buns, so I suppose I can't complain. No swearing, no falling off the stool, Ian. Right, so we can see the colour the fencing was, and Ian's toning it down to a nice dark grey. So it's
concretey colour.
Concretey colour, that's it, yes. and he's done the little post in the middle that was black and the bit at the back, so it's all coming on rather nicely. Got a smudge on my back seam there. I have to wash that off later on, that's no problem. So yeah, so he's doing a grand job, Goodness me, you want another cup of tea in a minute. Just having a look around the back to see if he's missed anything. Right, we showed you Ian painting the fencing earlier, so let's show you the finished job. So the fencing at the back now is the correct concrete colour. He's also done the 2 footbridges, and we've now got a nice walkway with some weeds in there as well. And he's done the fencing along this side of the platform. And it comes down, and we've got the car park fencing been painted as well. So everything's done now in a lovely concrete colour. So it's all looking really good. So excellent job there from Ian today. Well worth it. Really, really pleased with that. And now he's bringing the DMU in. This is the Tidworth service going back to Reading. And that'll be stopping there. Must be editing most of this out. It's taking too long. And that's also that field at the back now redone. It was far too dark before, and now it's more of a grassy meadow rather than very dark. So again, 5-minute job, but well worth doing. I'm pleased with that. So there we go, so that'll be it for this video. We'll be back again soon with some more updates, I hope. And really appreciate Ian coming down today and the work he's done on the footbridges, etc., and on the walling around the station and the car parks. It's looking really good. A thoroughly good day. So back again soon. Thanks for watching. Happy modelling. Stay safe everyone. Bye for now. Bye.